Hey there, this is Mr. McTavish, a mentor for Team 4152, the Hoya Robotics, and this is just a quick tutorial on how to use CAD software, specifically Onshape, to check your geometry. So some of our students are finding it frustrating with Learn at Home to be able to check their answers. It just takes a little extra time. So Onshape is CAD software, and you can get it an education subscription going to www.onshape.com/edu/frc, and I'm going to show you a couple things quickly, and there's tutorials at learn.onshape.com once you have your account and are logged into Onshape. So I've created a new document in here, geometry, and this is a part studio, and I can just click the top plane and click sketch, and when I'm in a sketch I click N to normalize my view. So here I've got my sketch. Now some of our students are working on trig questions. So if I just use the line tool, I can create a triangle. And when the orange indicates that the lines are touching. So there's my triangle. And using this, I can now figure out different things. So here's the dimension tool. So I can click the dimension tool and click. So one of the questions is, if let's say you have, click that, I made a mistake there, an 8 centimeter long side here, and with the dimension tool we've got a 6 centimeter side here, and with the dimension tool, if you click a side and then click, you can set its length. If you click two sides, like I'm clicking this one and then this one, I can set the angle in between them. So this is 72 degrees. So if I have all that information and I'm trying to find the length of this side, I can click it and it's going to tell me exactly what the length is, because it automatically does all of the calculations for you. And you'll notice that this is grayed out. That's because it depends on these values. If I change this value, then this value is going to change automatically. Or if I change the angle, it will automatically change as well. So that's a really, really handy tool to have. And all of your sine and cosine laws will be accurately represented, and you can get the exact measurements. So if you have another question where, let's say you're dealing with 3 lengths, so I've got one length is 7.1 and another length is 8. Whoops, I hit 2 lines by accident there, so let me just, so this one is 8.5, and then this one is 9. So I've got 3 sides. Same idea, if I do dimension and click 2 lines, I'm going to get the angle, and it's going to be grayed out, and you can see I can get it to a very precise amount, and the grayed out indicates that it depends on the lengths of these sides. So that is a really handy tool. Any of the cosine or sine laws or tangent laws all apply, because this is just basic geometry. Hope that helps. And with the CAD, if you get into it and go into learning, you can take the Onshape fundamentals tutorials, which is a great way to learn how to design things in CAD. Have a good one.